Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, we will be talking about some influencer tips on how we can actually make money as a content creator or influencer, whether you are big or small, doesn't matter. But we're going to be talking about how we can make money on our social media platform with just a few tips and tricks, or a few ways I should say, on how we can actually make money and secure them coins. Okay, so before we even get started into this good old video, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red button down below, join the TAM KAM fam, and let's go ahead and get started into these good old ways on how we can make some coins. Okay, so I actually have some notes in my phone right now of all the ways how I actually make money on my social media platform, and some things that actually work for me. And I always just love to share what works for me, because you know I'm all about the each one teach one type of system. Okay, so I do have about maybe 7 or 8 ways how I actually make money. So let's go ahead and get started with number 1. So the first way on how I actually make money as a micro influencer or influencer in general is by using Google Adsense. Now, if you're not familiar with Google Adsense, that's actually more towards YouTubers. So Google Adsense is pretty much Google puts ads on your YouTube videos for your viewers to see, and you actually make a few cents off of each and every single ad that is placed on your video. It also, I believe, counts if people actually watch the ads entirely, or if they watch it for like a certain amount of seconds. But you must be monetized on YouTube to actually have Google AdSense or Google Ads on your YouTube channel. And to be monetized on YouTube, you must have both of these requirements, and that is 1,000 subscribers along with 4,000 hours of watch time. I believe that is the same requirement that was for me about 2 years ago. Was it 2 years ago or some change ago? Once you meet those requirements, you are able to be monetized and actually have ads on your YouTube channel. So that is one way how you can actually make money from YouTube, aka from your content that you produce on a regular basis. The next way how you can actually make money as a micro influencer is to actually use magic links. Now, if you're not familiar with magic links, it's okay. Let me go ahead and tell you what it is. So magic links is actually this website where you can actually put like links to different products, and it will just configure it into a shorter version type of link. But with that link, it's attached to Magic Link, the website itself, and every single time when someone actually clicks on that link and purchase from that link, you actually get a percentage, a little small commission from every single purchase that is made from that specific link. So if you ever notice when I do like any type of product hauls or clothing hauls or something like that, like I actually do put like the link of all the items down below. And if you notice in the beginning of the link, it kind of says magic. So those are magic links. So if you do decide to actually use any of my links or click on my links, you're actually helping us out. I am gaining a little bit of commission from every single type of affiliate link and marketing link that is down there in my description box. So that's another way how you can actually earn a little coins by being a content creator. So, since we are talking about affiliate marketing, that is the third way on how you can actually make money as a content creator. So affiliate marketing is actually earning a commission by promoting others people's products or a company's products via a coupon code or a referral link. So if you ever notice in any of my videos when I talk about, let's say like the cosmology hairbrush, I actually have a specific code to get a certain percentage off. Now when you actually do use those coupon codes, I actually do get a small commission back when you actually do use my coupon codes, which I am very much so appreciative when people do use my coupon codes. So that is the third way on how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing, by having coupon codes. And it is so easy to get into affiliate marketing. If you have like one of your favorite brands that you use on a regular basis, you can actually just check on their website, whatever brand may have you, and actually go scroll way at the bottom where they have like the contact us and the press information, all of that. Sometimes brands actually have an affiliate marketing link for you to actually join the affiliate program, or aka brand ambassador type of program, where you can get a customized code, since those are products that you use on a regular basis, a customized code, and you can actually share your code with other people so they can actually get a discount on specific items, and then you also get a commission back when they do use your coupon code. So the fourth way on how you can actually make money as an influencer or a content creator is actually by using the Rakuten app or the Rakuten website. So Rakuten is actually a cashback type of website slash app where you can shop at your favorite stores. So many hundreds of stores: Apple, Macy's, Fenty Beauty. You can shop at all of these stores and you can actually get cash back. Now, I included this into my list only because, you know, us as content creators, we're always buying different products, you know, to show to our audience and to do demos with. Also buy a whole lot of equipment, you know, from Best Buy or from Target per se. And these stores actually have specific percentage of cash back that you can actually earn when you do buy products. Like, for example, when I bought my new MacBook, Apple actually had, I think it was like maybe like an 8% cash back. Y'all, I had got so much, like $44 or something crazy amount of cash back when it came to just that one purchase. Now, I know the MacBook, first of all, it already costs over $1,000. I understand, but it's also still nice to actually get a little bit of coins back, especially if you are using, you know, buying a whole lot of stuff when it comes to being a content creator. You can earn your money back by using the Rakuten app. And then one thing that I actually do highly love about the Rakuten app is if you do use my referral link that I will post down below, you actually do get money back. I believe right now, if you do use my referral link, you would get $20 into your Rakuten account, and I will also get $20 back, so we will get the exact same thing. You know, I have no shame in my game about telling you guys about, you know, when it comes to each of us getting a sweet little deal, okay? So if you do use my Rakuten referral link down below, you get some coins, sis, or bro, and then I also get the same exact amount. So if you are a shopaholic in general and you buy just a whole lot of stuff, it's just best to actually just use Rakuten. I use Rakuten for every single purchase that I can on Rakuten, okay? At one point, I actually racked up $200 on Rakuten because it was the freaking holidays, okay? Just saying. So the fifth way on how we can actually make money with our social media accounts is actually by using the app called Post for Rent. So Post for Rent is pretty much an app that brands actually use to actually post campaigns or jobs that they want a creator to pretty much do. So a brand can post, you know, a product that they actually want you to feature and do a video or a photo on, and they actually will post the amount that they will pay you to complete this job. And they also have some campaigns where it's just product for promotion type of thing, which is sis ain't got time for, but they have a lot of variety of options, whether it's paid or paid with product type of jobs and campaigns available. So that is another way on how you can actually earn coins. And then along with that one, the sixth way on how you can actually make a couple of dollars is actually by using the Tribe app, which is actually my favorite. Thank you to my sis Chrissy for letting me know. The Tribe app is also another app, kind of like Post for Rent, but the Tribe app to me is actually more of bigger brands that actually use that app to actually do campaigns, because I've seen brands such as Rhrough on there multiple times. I've also seen Curl Dynasty, I'm not really sure, but they had a natural hair big brand on there, and they actually post different types of projects or campaigns that they want an influencer to do, and all you have to do is pretty much just submit your content, and then they will actually confirm or deny if they do want to work with you. Now, the only thing I do not like about Tribe is the fact that, you know, sometimes, it has not happened to me yet, but sometimes when it comes to some of these campaigns, you do have to actually submit your true product of, or your true like content that you will actually submit, you know, if they was to accept it. But sometimes they may deny it, which kind of sucks because you took your hard time on actually doing the content and then they just denied it. So that's just a little warning with Tribe. But I've actually had a really good experience with Tribe, and I actually made a nice pretty coin from using the Tribe app, okay? So the seventh way on how we can actually make coins, which is my favorite, is actually doing brand sponsored posts or brand campaign, paid campaigns, child, okay? So the way on how you can actually get these sponsored posts, I actually did a full video on how, you know, to get brand deals and stuff like that. But a sponsored post or a sponsored campaign is pretty much, you know, either you or a brand, you know, reach out to each other, and you actually do a paid collab, you know, whether it's with a new collection or whatever type of product, featuring the brand on your platform, you know, meeting any type of requirements that they do have, and they will pay you for it. Now that to me is my favorite, because that is how Adsense has been making her coins lately. Okay, I've been securing those brand deals. Yes. So I do love me some sponsored posts. Or I do not do any type of weird sponsored posts with things that I don't know nothing about. Okay, I like to try out things first, see how I like it, then, you know, I will see, okay, I'm gonna do the sponsored posts. Okay, so sponsored posts and campaigns, brand deals, that is a big way on how you can make coins as a micro influencer. And like I said in my previous video, which I will link down below and above in this video, it doesn't matter if you're big or small. Especially, it does not matter if you are small. Do not be afraid to approach brands and pitch to them when it comes to securing a brand deal. Okay, do not be scared, because a lot of these brands definitely love small content creators because you are the most authentic. Your audience are more attracted to you because you're smaller in a sense. They have like a better connection with you. So brands actually love to work with small influencers. So don't get it twisted when it comes to trying to approach a brand. Okay, approach them, sis and bro, and secure those deals. Okay, let's get the bag. Period. So the last way on how we can actually make some coins, I think this is number 8, is actually by having an Amazon storefront. Now, you guys, now if you've seen my previous videos when I talk about anything that I purchase off of Amazon, and I actually link them down below, I always have my Amazon storefront in the description box. So the Amazon storefront is pretty great for content creators and influencers. Pretty much it's your own type of customized Amazon storefront. You can categorize it by different types of categories, like hair products, workout essentials, you know, editing type of tools, type of things like that. And you can like put your favorite items from other people's shops into these categories and make it your own little shop. Now, one great thing about the Amazon storefront is the fact that when people do go into your storefront and actually purchase things from your storefront, now it's not actually from you per se, which is something that I really do like. You know, it's from other people's shop, but it's kind of like you're kind of promoting other people's stuff in a sense. So when people do buy stuff from your Amazon storefront, you actually do get a small commission. It varies from item to item. I really do not know what the commissions from each item is, but every single time when you do purchase things from people's storefront, they actually do get a small commission from you purchasing from them. So that is another way on how you can actually make coins, by using the Amazon storefront, which I highly love. Okay, so whenever you guys actually see me post any type of coupon codes, see my Amazon storefront below, I highly appreciate when you guys actually do use all of the links, the affiliate links down below, because one thing for me that actually helps support my channel, helps feed into my channel, boost the quality, boost the equipment, everything else, and bro. So I appreciate every single time when I use my stuff. Okay, I do get notifications and I love them. Thank you. So that completes all of the ways that I currently use, ways on how to actually make money as a content creator slash influencers. And I hope this actually helped you on how you can actually secure some coins this year, and just in general, okay, in general as a content creator slash influencer. So I hope this video actually helped you guys out on how to make some coins. Okay, if this video did help you out, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment box after you done tried out some of these apps and things like that. And if you did enjoy this good old video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. Click that red button down below, join the TAM KAM fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Bye guys.